DIYs. The next stage in the strip out, like I've taken up all the floor. That was easy. God, it came up like shell and peas. Incredible. I hired a big kick-ass jackhammer because I thought I might have a bit of a struggle. Well, it just killed it. And I'm just in the middle of taking these sheets off now. So yeah. I'll go around there with my steps. I've got to take off that that cornice, so I'll come back to that. So let's just take it off and then carry it out. Just whacked me in the ear then. You gotta laugh. You gotta laugh. Like it's hardly, this is a group housing house and it's not nailed off that well. A strip out is easy. I've got to turn off the water yet. But it's it is nailed off, but it's not glued, so there you go. When your sheeting isn't glued, that's how easy it is to pull it off. I did think to myself, gee, that's coming off easy. Well, there you go. There's no stud glue. Where's my hammer? I'll have to go around that light switch. Whooshka! Right, we've gone around that light switch. That's screwed into studs. So we'll just whiz it off. Where's the trusty hammer? Oh, look at this. Look at this. There you go, people. So that's a lesson. Always put stud glue on your studs. This has just been nailed. It's the easiest strip out I've had in a long time. Yeah. They say life's not meant to be hard. Well, it certainly isn't with this strip out. Whooshka! I'll be tiling into here. The window isn't going to close, or it'll close but it won't lock. The owner knows that. When I came and priced the job, and he asked me to could I tile into there? I said, yeah, no worries, mate. No worries at all, but your door or your window will never lock because the tile comes to about there. So you're able to close it, but never lock it. But he could fit a thingy-doodle of this on this, that the pin goes up inside, and that's, you know, easy fixed. It's then lockable. My next move will be taking out this bath, but that's easy as well. At least they've done the bath right. You see, that is the correct way to do a bath. It's checked into the studs, so then the sheet goes over the top, over that lip, and it's waterproofed properly. That's the only thing that's been done well in this bathroom. The rest is crapolo. Okay, we'll see you soon. Into the third stage next. See you soon.